The Bollinger Bands MTF alert strategy for MT4 is a multifunctional trading strategy. Traders who have basic knowledge about the forex market may expect to learn the core functions of this system without facing much trouble. Once you become comfortable with this system, you can trade any major or minor currency pairs. Though the system doesn't specify any time frame, we should be looking for the trade signals in the M30 or higher time frame only. Bollinger Bands MTF alert strategy for MT4 analyzes the chart for any unusual price action changes and creates trade signals based on 3 criteria: overbought/oversold, state of the asset, breakout, continuation of the trend. Project Reaper. Bollinger Bands MTF alerts is an interesting Bollinger Bands MT4 indicator that can be used alone or with other indicators. The main feature of this indicator is to send multi-type 4 time frame alerts to the Bollinger Bands. The types of revenue are as follows: outside Bollinger Bands range, a breakout Bollinger Bands, fake breakout, break in Bollinger Bands. Indicator. Project Reaper. Bollinger Bands MTF alert setting bands periods 20 deviation 1.5 logic entry outside Bollinger Bands range, current price out of BB range, breakout Bollinger Bands, first signal candle, the classic scheme of logic, fake breakout, so when the candle break BB range and the next candle is closing in the range back, break in Bollinger Bands. This is break-in signal from outside BB range to the middle prices, inverted signals to follow the price breakouts. Time frame: 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, H4, daily, W1. MN. Draw arrows on chart. Do not repaint. Terminal MetaTrader 4 inches. The pictures. Bollinger Bands MTF alerts. The SVE Bollinger Band MTF Forex indicator for MetaTrader 4 provides buy and sell trading signals based on extreme Bollinger Band values. The indicator draws its signals in a separate MT4 window. A blue buy signal arrow occurs when the indicator crosses back above the 0.00 value from below. A red sell signal arrow occurs when the indicator crosses back below the 117 value from above. It's highly recommended to use this indicator together with a trend following indicator. For example, the 100 EMA would fit. Only trade in the direction of the overall trend. Price above the 100 EMA? Only trade buy signals from the SVE Bollinger Band MTF indicator. Price below the 100 EMA? Only trade sell signals from the SVE Bollinger Band MTF indicator. Outside Bollinger Bands range, current price out of BB range, breakout Bollinger Bands, first signal candle, the classic scheme of logic, fake breakout, so when the candle break BB range and the next candle is closing in the range back, break in Bollinger Bands. This is break-in signal from outside BB range to the middle prices, inverted signals to follow the price breakouts. Installing Trend Navigator to your MT4 charts. What follows below are the easy steps to install the Bollinger Bands Signals Alerts MTF to your MT4 platform. This should only take 5 minutes of your time. Step 1. Download Bollinger Bands Signals Alerts MTF and save it on your computer. Step 2. Extract the Bollinger Bands Signals Alerts MTF into a folder. Step 3. Go to the folder you have just extracted. Step 4. Copy Bollinger Bands Signals Alerts MTF. The indicator is usually located at C:\program files /MetaTrader 4 /expert /indicators. The indicator is usually located at C:\program files /MetaTrader 4 /templates. You are done with the installation process. In the pictures, Bollinger Bands Signals Alerts MTF MT4. Therefore, you may use this trading method to find reliable trade signals in any time frame. If you want to use this strategy as a long-term trading technique, you can do so. Even if you want to use it to scalp the market, there are no restrictions. In this article, we will illustrate the proper way to use this strategy in any time frame. Let's get into the details. Bollinger Bands MTF alert strategy for MT4. Overview. Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Band is well known as an overbought/oversold indicator. The upper band acts as a resistance level and the lower band act as the critical support. The width and slope of the channel show us the intensity of the market volatility. If the width is big, you should be